that we have today for our salmon alfredo: Old Bay seasoning, we have black pepper, we have some seasoned salt, some minced garlic, that's going to be for our alfredo sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley flakes, Creole seasoning, paprika. We have some heavy whipping cream for our alfredo sauce, also some grated Parmesan cheese. We have 1 stick of butter. We're not going to use the whole thing of butter. And then I already have my seasonings in my glass bowl here. This salmon already came with the blackened seasoning on it. I still add, a little bit of the Old Bay seasoning, even though it's already seasoned, but I just like to put a little bit on there. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get into it. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and add our fettuccine. I never know how much to really put in there because it's not just me eating. So hopefully this is enough. So this is what the salmon is looking like. And remember, it's blackened salmon. So now we're just waiting on our noodles to get done, and we're about to go over and make our homemade sauce. And once that melts, turn my heat down a little bit. You don't want to burn the butter. If you have your heat up too high, you can burn your butter. So you don't want to do that. So just keep stirring this around till the butter melts completely. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was using the jar Alfredo before, and sometimes I still use it. But when you know how to make it yourself, it just tastes better. And guys, so far, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so now that that's melted, we're gonna go ahead and add a half teaspoon or tablespoon of garlic. Mix that in. Cook that garlic until it gets fragrant. You want it to get a little brown. Okay, so then once that get brown, you want to go ahead, take your heavy whipping cream and just add it into that and just mix it up well. Right to the consistency that you like. So we're gonna go ahead and mix and stir just like that. And I'm gonna use this whole container here. I might need to use more of the other one as well. So you just keep stirring. I'm gonna use some of the other one as well. 1 second. Guys, it's simple ingredients. Like, at first I didn't know how to make it before, and I'm like, you know what, let me just learn. So let's add a little bit more of this whipping cream, because if you have a lot of pasta, you want to go ahead and make sure you have enough to cover your Alfredo. This is how you want it to look. Think it thickened up a little bit, excuse me. Yes, and it tastes so good. beautiful. And then just to top it off, we're gonna add some parsley just to make it look pretty. And then what you could also do, if you have some leftover sauce, you can just, you have some leftover sauce and you want some on top of your salmon, all you would do is get some more of that sauce and just put it right over it, just like that. Now how about that, y'all? Tell me what y'all think about it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be back with more videos. Y'all have a great one. See ya.